Today we're going to be learning about feeding the birds. There are many different foods that birds will eat. Bread, popcorn, peanut butter, and sunflower seeds. There are many different kinds of feeders that birds will eat from. You can buy your own bird feeders, but sometimes it's more fun to make your own. I made this one with 2 plastic cups. I cut an opening on either side and I poked holes to put the string through. Then I hot glued around here. If you made a bird feeder like this, you would need an adult's help. This is a hummingbird feeder. You can hang this somewhere like a garden so the hummingbirds can come and drink out of these little flowers. The red will attract the hummingbirds to come. Let's try making a bird feeder right now with these pine cones. You take a pine cone. We'll dip it in the peanut butter, get the peanut butter on the sides of the pine cone. Now that I have peanut butter on my pine cone, I'm going to decide what to put on the peanut butter. I could put birdseed, popcorn, or bread. Usually, I would want to do birdseed. But sometimes, if there isn't birdseed around, we can use bread. When you get old bread, instead of just throwing it away, you can put it outside for the birds to come and eat it. So I'm going to dip mine in this birdseed. I could hang this up outside so the birds could come and eat it. On this pine cone, I'm going to put bread on it. This is old bread that we crumbled up so the birds could eat it. The peanut butter makes the bread stick, so we could hang this up on a tree with the string, and the birds could go there and eat it off of them. You may want to make a bird feeder yourself. Even if you don't have pine cones, you could just take old bread, crumble it, and put it out in the grass or on a windowsill. You could still help the birds in your neighborhood.